What if cold, weak, tired legs aren't caused by age at all, but by something that collapses overnight and can be reversed in under an hour? Today, I'm revealing 5 simple drinks that shocked researchers by restoring leg blood flow in adults over 60. Stay with me because number 1 changes everything. If you're over 60 and deal with cold feet, heavy legs, cramping when walking, numbness, or slow recovery, this video could be extremely important for you. For years, seniors were told poor leg circulation is just part of aging. But new research shows that's not true. Leg circulation often collapses suddenly, and when it does, everything changes fast. The good news? Researchers tested nearly 400 different drinks. Most failed. Some made circulation worse, but 5 worked shockingly well. Today, I'm revealing them from least to most powerful, so watch until the end. Because the number 1 drink delivers the strongest natural boost to leg blood flow ever recorded in seniors. Here's something almost no one talks about. Your leg arteries don't fail simply because of time. They fail because of 3 silent triggers that become far more dangerous after the age of 60. The first is dehydration. Even mild dehydration thickens the blood and slows circulation to the lower body. The second is chronic inflammation, which makes artery walls stiff and narrow over time. And the third and most important is the loss of nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open. When these 3 factors combine, leg circulation can collapse almost overnight. That's why so many seniors say, "My legs felt fine last month, and now I can barely walk." What shocked researchers even more was discovering that when nitric oxide levels were restored and arteries were relaxed, blood flow returned far faster than anyone expected. And that's what brings us to the drinks. Let's start with a drink most seniors never consider: cayenne pepper water. It may sound unusual, but stay with me, because the science behind this is surprisingly powerful. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin. When capsaicin enters your bloodstream, it activates special receptors in your blood vessels known as TRPV1 receptors. Once these receptors are triggered, they signal your body to release nitric oxide. Nitric oxide then tells your arteries to relax and widen, allowing more blood to flow down into your legs and feet with less resistance. In studies, seniors who consumed cayenne reported warmer feet, reduced stiffness, and noticeably better movement within 30 to 60 minutes. However, most people make one big mistake with cayenne: using too much. Excess amounts can irritate the stomach. The correct way is simple. Mix 8 ounces of warm, not hot, water with 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Drinking it first thing in the morning works best. Adding a squeeze of lemon can improve the taste and further boost nitric oxide production. If you're on blood thinners or have a history of stomach ulcers, talk to your doctor first. And while cayenne is impressive, the next drink works on multiple circulation pathways at once. Ginger has been used as medicine for more than 3,000 years. But modern science finally uncovered why it's so effective for leg circulation, especially after 60. Ginger works in 3 powerful ways. First, it helps prevent platelets from clumping together, allowing blood to flow more smoothly. Second, it relaxes the smooth muscles surrounding your arteries, helping them widen naturally. And third, it reduces chronic inflammation, one of the biggest causes of stiff, narrow blood vessels in seniors and older adults with circulation problems. Daily ginger intake led to improved ankle blood flow, reduced leg fatigue, and fewer cramps while walking. Preparing ginger tea is easy. Slice or grate about 1 inch of fresh ginger root and simmer it in 2 cups of water for 15 to 20 minutes. Drinking 2 to 3 cups per day, especially before walking, can make a noticeable difference within weeks. But as helpful as ginger is, it still isn't the most powerful drink on this list, because the next one works at the cellular lining of your blood vessels. When researchers studied regions with extremely low rates of heart disease, one habit appeared again and again: daily green tea consumption. Green tea contains a powerful compound called EGCG, one of the most studied cardiovascular nutrients in history. EGCG improves the health of the endothelium, the thin inner lining of your blood vessels. This matters because when the endothelium is healthy, it produces more nitric oxide, keeping vessels relaxed and flexible. Your leg blood vessels are farthest from the heart, which means they're the first to suffer when endothelial function declines. In studies, green tea increased blood flow to the legs by up to 16%, with measurable improvements appearing in as little as 2 weeks. Preparation matters. Green tea should be brewed with water around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, steeped for only 3 to 5 minutes. Drinking 3 to 4 cups spaced throughout the day works best. Adding lemon juice can increase EGCG absorption up to 5 times. Still, green tea ranks only number 3 because the next drink stunned even skeptical cardiologists. Pomegranate juice contains rare antioxidants called punicalagins, and they do something extraordinary for circulation. These compounds protect nitric oxide from breaking down, increase nitric oxide production, and improve artery flexibility at the same time. In patients with severe leg circulation problems, daily pomegranate juice increased pain-free walking distance by more than 30% and even helped reduce plaque buildup in arteries. The key is choosing the right kind. It must be 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar. 0.8 ounces per day is ideal, and it's best taken with meals, especially those containing healthy fats, which improve antioxidant absorption. Despite these powerful benefits, there's still one drink that outperformed everything else. This is it, the most powerful natural leg circulation drink ever studied: beetroot juice. Beets contain the highest natural levels of dietary nitrates. Once consumed, these nitrates are converted into nitrites, and then into nitric oxide, the master molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and open wide. In adults over 65, beetroot juice increased leg blood flow by an average of 20%, lowered blood pressure, and dramatically improved walking endurance. Many participants reported warmer feet, less numbness, and stronger legs within hours. The best approach is 4 to 8 ounces daily, ideally consumed about 2 hours before walking or exercise. Fresh juice works best, but pure bottled beetroot juice is effective as well. If you're on blood pressure or erectile dysfunction medications, consult your doctor first, as beetroot juice can enhance their effects. Here's the truth: your legs aren't failing because of age, they're starving for blood. And these drinks don't fight your body. They support the systems designed to keep blood flowing naturally. You don't need all 5. Choose 1 or 2 you'll actually stick with, because consistency matters more than perfection. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe for more senior health breakthroughs, and comment your age below. We reply to as many as possible. Your legs have carried you through decades of life. Now it's time to give them the support they deserve.